Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see crochet tutorial for how to make this cup and saucer keychain. As usual, we will be starting with the slip knot. I am using 2.5 mm needle. After slip knot, we will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Please ignore background sound, my kid is playing. Okay. Then we will join first and last stitch with slip stitch. So we get a very small tiny bit circle in between. Okay, a small gap in between. See, I'm joining first and last stitch with slip stitch. Okay, see, we get a very small gap, tiny bit circle in between. Okay, now we will make 20 double crochet stitches, each time passing a needle from inside of that circle. Okay, grabbing the yarn, then pulling through that hole itself. Okay, then again we will yarn over, pull through starting 2 loops, and again yarn over and pull through again 2 loops. So this is a double crochet stitch. First we are making. Same way we are going to make 20 double crochet stitches. Just remember, each time we are passing a needle from inside of that tiny circle we have got in between by joining the first and last stitch, chain crochet stitch. Okay, and then we will pass a needle from inside of that circle, grab the yarn, pull through that yarn again through that circle. Okay, and then make the double crochet stitch. I'm trying to show you slowly over here. Even though you want to refer tutorial video for double crochet stitch, I've already placed on my channel, and it is with notes and quite simply explained and very slow, so you will understand. So I'll just complete it and I'll show it to you. See, this is how it looks. First round is complete. I have made 20 double crochet stitches. Now I'll join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. This is how our first round is complete. Okay, now with the same process and same color yarn, we will be making 2 more circles. Okay, 2 more such circles, separate circles, and with same process we will make one light brown color circle also, one round also. Okay, so we are making 3 extra. Okay, 1 brown and 2 with the same color we made earlier. We will use it later. Okay, so we will again start with a cup. Now after this, now we will make 7 more rounds. Okay, for all 7 rounds, pattern is going to be same. We will make 1 single crochet stitch in each single stitch, and when we reach our last stitch, we will join first and last stitch with the slip stitch. Okay, this process is going to be same for all 7 rounds. Okay, so I'll just complete this first round and I'll show it to you. See, here I have completed with that 1 single crochet stitch in each single stitch. I have completed 2 stitches till last stitch. Now I'll join my first and last stitch with the slip stitch. Try to put a marker on your first stitch always, because by end it is quite confusing which is the first stitch. So because of that marker you will understand. Okay, for all 7 rounds, whenever you start with the first stitch, just try to put a marker over there. It will be quite easier for you. I'll just complete those 7 rounds and I'll show it to you how it looks. See, it looks now like a cup shape. Okay, now we will change our yarn. To add a new yarn, always keep 2 loops on your needle. Okay, to add new yarn, to keep 2 loops on your needle, then grab new yarn, pull through those 2 loops and make a chain crochet stitch. Okay, now we will make 3 more rounds, and again pattern is going to be same for those 3 rounds also. 1 single crochet stitch in each single stitch, and by last stitch we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. I will just complete those 3 rounds and I'll show it to you how it looks final. Those who have already subscribed to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha, thanks a lot. Thanks for helping me grow. And those who have not subscribed, I will request you, please subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. I'm coming up with many such videos and you will get many interesting projects on my channel. Okay, I'll just coming back to the video. I'll just complete these 3 rounds and I'll show you. See, I've completed and I've also placed eyes and smile. It's up to you. You want to place do it or not. And of course, fill the fillers as much as you can. Now you remember that brown earlier we made 3 separate circles, 3 separate rounds. That brown is for our tea, coffee, whatever you want, whatever you like. Okay, now we will join this with a cup. Okay, now how we will join? See, we will insert a needle from first stitch of the cup to first stitch of that brown circle, but not through complete stitch of that brown circle, only one thread, lower thread of that stitch. Okay, and then we will grab our yarn and pull through these two loops at once. Okay, and then make a single crochet stitch. Okay, so just remember, insert your needle from first stitch of the cup circle, first stitch of the cup, then first stitch of the brown, only lower loop or lower yarn of the stitch. Okay, and then grab the yarn and pull through. I'll just complete this, stitch it up completely and show it to you how it looks. See, my coffee is ready, or if you like tea, your tea is ready. Okay, after this we will make a last round and we are just going to take one single crochet stitch in each single stitch. When we reach the last stitch, we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Same process. Okay, I'll just complete it and I'll show it to you. See, now coffee tea is ready. Now to hold the cup we need to have a handle also. So now I'll make a handle. Make a slip knot. Take 12 chain crochet stitches. After slip knot, make 12 chain crochet stitches, 12 or 15. Okay, then after that, in each stitch make a half double crochet stitch. Each single stitch make a half double crochet stitch till the end of the last stitch, till your end of the chain crochet stitches. Okay, I'll just complete it. Okay, now see, we get this one strip. So this we will just stitch it, okay, in shape of the handle. Okay, one stitch down, one stitch up. So see, this is how it looks after stitching a handle. Now we will make saucer. We will make use of that circle we made initially, 3 circles of same color. One was the bottom of cup. Now this is the next one, bottom of the saucer. Okay, now for saucer, first round pattern is going to be 1 2 1 2 1 2. So it's going to be one single crochet stitch in one stitch and 2 single crochet stitch in next stitch. Then again one single crochet stitch in one stitch and 2 single crochet stitch in next stitch. I'll just complete this, I'll show you, and as usual when we reach our last stitch, we will join first and last stitch with the slip stitch. This is the pattern for first round. I'll just complete it and I'll show you. I'll just complete this full round and I'll show you. See, I'm done with the round. Now I'll join first and last stitch with the slip stitch to finish the round. Now for next round, pattern is going to be 1 1 2. Okay, so in 2 continuous stitches there will be 1 single crochet stitch in one stitch, 1 single crochet stitch in next stitch, and 2 single crochet stitch in the third stitch. Okay, so for whole round, pattern is going to be 1 1 2 1 1 2. Okay, and as we reach till end, we'll join first and last stitch with the slip stitch. That process is like same for all over this project, joining with the slip stitch. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. Here I'm done. I'm finishing this round by joining first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Now for next round, pattern is going to be 1 1 1 2. Okay, so in 3 continuous stitches it will be 1 single crochet stitch in one stitch, 1 single crochet stitch in one stitch, again 1 single crochet stitch in one stitch, and then 2 single crochet stitch in fourth stitch. So every fourth stitch there will be 2 single crochet stitch. Till then 1 single crochet stitches. I'll just complete this. Okay, and after this we will change, we will give a border. So we will change our yarn, and to change the yarn just keep 2 loops on the needle. I'll just show you. See, I've completed. I'm joining first and last stitch with slip stitch. Okay, see, I have kept 2 loops on my needle to join new yarn. Now I'll grab new yarn, pull it through the 2 loops, make a chain crochet stitch, and now for last stitch, last round, pattern is, it will be 1 double crochet stitch in one stitch, 1 double crochet stitch in next stitch, and again 1 double crochet stitch in next stitch, and in fourth stitch 2 double crochet stitches in one single stitch. So it's like in every fourth stitch it will be 2 double crochet stitches. We're done with that round. Just stitch the middle part of cup, saucer, and that one more circle we have made with the same color, and attach your keychain to handle. See, this is how a final piece looks. Cup, saucer along with tea, coffee.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.